Personal presentation. Hi teacher, my name is Jorge Lozada. I am 25 years old. Actually work and study environmental engineering. I am single. I was born in the municipality of Campo Alegre, Huila. My family is made out of the grandparents, my mother, my brother, and I am the oldest. I am charismatic person, dedicated, I like to help others. I like music, especially electronic and deep house. I do not like vegetables. My daily routine, I usually get out at 6 o'clock. I bathe the 6:15, breakfast the 6:30. I go to work at 7 o'clock. At 11:13, return home to lunch and return to I work at 2 church. At 6 o'clock, I let me work. I eat dinner and usually at 7 o'clock. I go to the gym and come back around 9. Then I do homework at the university and around 12 I go to sleep. Thank you.